Hi, I'm Claire Luge with Inventus Media. We're here today at Heli Expo 2013, where over 20,000 industry professionals, 650 exhibitors, and scores of helicopters on display meet under one roof for what is the world's largest helicopter exposition. Today we will be highlighting the 11th annual HAI Helicopter Industry Job Fair, which includes dozens of exhibiting companies seeking qualified job candidates.
The most trained pilots that in the history were done through the US military when the Vietnam War had started. So over 50,000 pilots were qualified. Now in the past 5-7 years, all of those pilots have reached their retirement age. The helicopter operation has grown so much in the past 10 years, but everybody is more focused on fixed wing flying school. Now the industry grows so fast. Your experienced pilots are retiring and nobody in the school, or a small number. It becomes a struggle to find experienced pilots.
Okay, so we have Dennis McCall, Director of Operations with Air Methods. Can you tell us a little bit more about your industry and your organization?
Well, I'll start with talking about the company. We're the largest EMS provider in the United States. We are currently in 315 locations. We have 400 aircraft, and we have a need for pilots. We probably going to hire 300 pilots this year.
The industry is taking off, and I think it's a great time for helicopter pilots to get into the industry and to apply to Air Helicopter. The biggest thing, Claire, that we have and our focus on throughout all of our organization is number one, safety. The other skills that we look for is their people skills. Can you play well in the sandbox with everybody else?
Of course.
And how do you treat our customers? Customer service is probably the number 2 item behind safety.
In the air ambulance world, it's going very well. We find that not only ourselves, but a lot of our competitors out there in the air ambulance business are growing more and more base models out there. So what's a unique challenge for us is the recruitment of those experience levels that we usually need in order to staff our locations.
And can you talk to me about the expected entry salary for one of your hiring pilots?
Well, it does vary throughout the United States, but I'd say for our program, on average, it's in the low to mid 60s on up to about the mid 70s.
Here we can see John Stonecipher, CEO of Guidance Aviation, giving a pep talk to his students, making sure they are prepared to meet today's opportunities.
You may possibly get 3 jobs down the road, 4 jobs down the road, 10 years down the road. Put your name out there, get people's business cards, introduce yourself. There's going to be 30,000 people here today. There is not a better networking opportunity than Heli Expo.
How do you plan to utilize your time today during the conference?
Well, I'm still early in training. I have about a year left in the degree program. So I'm going to be networking, meeting people, trying to get my name out there. Guidance Aviation gave us a bunch of cards to hand out. So basically meet everyone I can, see what the jobs are available, see what they're looking for, and that way kind of tailor what I'm doing to whatever's available out there. So I plan to utilize the expo in the best way possible.
Fantastic. And it looks like you came here with a bus of other students from Guidance.
Yes, we're all helicopter students. It's all rotary wing at Guidance. And they were kind enough to bring us out, gave us all cards, gave us all shirts. This is part of what they do to help us get hired and network and meet people and see what is available to us out there.
Day 1 of Heli Expo 2013 is now coming to a close. Today's theme, careers. We learned that the demand for pilots is huge and growing. We have so much more ground to cover. 1.5 million square feet of all things helicopter. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos.